So in the circles, the 7 marks important question. So this is the first question of the 7 marks circles chapter. So what's the question? See, find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. So these are the 3 points which is passing through the circle. So we have to find out that circle equation. So general our circle equation is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is our general circle equation. So in this one we have to find out the g, f and c values. So g value, f value and c value we have to find out. So now see the solution. Let the required equation of the circle is, so what is the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this one equation we are taking as equation 1. So equation of the circle. So this circle equation is passing through the 3 points. So what is the first point? 3, 4. Second point is 3, 2 and third point is 1, 4. Now see, equation 1 is passing through the point, So equation of the circle passing through first point. What is the first point? Is 3, 4. So that is x coordinate as well as y coordinate. So substitute these x, y values in the equation 1. So what happens? See, so in place of x we are substituting 3. In place of y we are substituting 4. That is 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into, in place of y we are substituting 4 plus c is equal to 0. Now see, 3 square value becomes 9 plus 4 square value becomes 16 plus 2 3 ja 6. 6 into g becomes 6g plus 2 4 ja 8. 8 into f will becomes 8f plus c is equal to 0. So if you are writing in the order, first we will write g, f, c, then we will write the constant number. So that is 16 plus 9 will becomes how much? 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. So we are writing in the order, that is 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the equation we are taking as second equation. So in the same manner we have to find out the equation of the circle passing through the remaining 2 points. So that is second point as well as third point. So now see the what is the second point? Second point is 3, 2. So equation 1 is passing through the point 3, 2. So this is x and this one is y. So equation 1 will becomes, so substituting x, y values in the equation 1, that is circle equation. So this becomes 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into, in place of x we are substituting 3 plus 2f, in place of y we are substituting 2 plus c is equal to 0. So if you multiply, 3 square value becomes 9 plus 2 square value becomes 4 plus 2 3 ja 6. 6 into g will become 6g plus 2 2 ja 4. 4 into f will become 4f plus c is equal to 0. So 9 plus 4 value becomes 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Writing in the order. So 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. So already we got the equation 1 and equation 2 in the previous. So this becomes equation number 3. So continuation, we have to find out the equation of the circle passing through the third point. What is the third point? 1, 4. So that is equation 1 is passing through the point 1, 4. So in the same manner how we have substituted the x, y values in the equation. So in this manner we have to take the points x, y. So in the equation 1 we are substituting what it becomes? In place of x we are substituting y 1, in place of y we are substituting 4. So this becomes 1 square plus 4 square plus 2g into, in place of x we are substituting 1, plus 2f into, in place of y we are substituting 4, plus c is equal to 0. So 1 square value becomes 1 plus 4 square value becomes 16 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 into g becomes 2g plus 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8. So it becomes 8f plus c is equal to 0. So 16 plus 1 will becomes 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. So writing in the order, this becomes 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So this becomes the equation number 4. So finally we got the 4 equations. So we have to solve the equation 2, equation and equation 3 to get g, f and c values. So now see, this is the second equation. What is second equation? 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. This is third equation. 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 equals to 0. This is the fourth equation. So we have to solve these three equations. So I am solving equation 2 and equation 3. So what it becomes? Now see, what is second equation? 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. And the third equation is 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 equals to 0. So change the symbols now. So here plus will getting minus, here plus, minus, minus, minus. So here will be plus, here minus. So plus 6g and minus 6g will be get cancelled. Plus c and minus c will be get cancelled. So plus 8f minus 4f. So it becomes 4f. So listen carefully. This is plus 8f. This is minus 4f. 8 minus 4 will becomes 4f. So plus 25 minus 13. So it becomes plus 12 is equal to 0. So taking plus 12 to the right hand side, this becomes 4f is equal to, so taking towards the right hand side becomes minus 12. So take 4 to the denominator of right hand side. So f value becomes minus 12 by 4. It becomes 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So f value becomes how much? Minus 3. Just now we have solved equation 2 and equation 3. Now we are solving equation 3 and equation 4. So what is equation 3? 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. And the fourth equation is 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. Now solving these two equations, so changing the symbols, this becomes minus, 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 minus. So plus 6g minus 2g will become 4g, minus 8f plus 4f will become minus 4f, and plus c and minus c will be get cancelled. Minus 17 plus 13 will become minus 4 is equal to 0. So taking common from all the terms, what is the 4g minus 4f minus 4 is equal to 0. So in place of, we got the f value down over here. So this is the f value. We are substituting this f value in this equation. So if you think this equation as equation number 5, so substitute f is equal to minus 3 in equation number 5. So what happens? 4g minus 4f minus 4 is equal to 0. So this becomes 4g minus 4 into f value is minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So write down 4g as it is. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 3 is a 12. So minus 4 is equal to 0. So plus 12 minus 4 will becomes plus 8. So 4g plus 8 is equal to 0. So taking plus 8 to the right hand side becomes minus 8. So 4g is equal to minus 8. So take 4 to the denominator of right hand side. So g value becomes minus 8 by 4. So I'm cancelling with 4 table. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So g value what we are getting, minus 2. So this is the g value. So this is g value and this one is the f value. So finally we have to find out the c value. For that purpose you can substitute any of these three equations, g value as well as f value. So substituting g comma f values in equation 4. I'm taking in equation 4. You can take equation 2, equation 3 also. So what is the fourth equation? The fourth equation is 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So 2 into g value is how much? Minus 2 plus 8 into f value is minus 3 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So 2 2 ja 4. So it is minus, plus into minus will become minus. 2 2 ja 4. So plus into minus will become minus. 8 3 ja 24 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So minus 4 minus 24 will become minus 28. So minus 4 minus 24 will become minus 28 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So minus 28 plus 17. So how much we are getting? We are getting minus 11 plus c is equal to 0. Take minus 11 to the right hand side becomes c is equal to plus 11. So finally we have to substitute. We got g value, f value and c value. Now see, substitute g comma f comma c values in equation 1. Why? Because equation 1 is our circle equation. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g value is minus 2 into x plus 2 into f value is minus 3 into y plus c value is plus 11 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square. So plus into minus, minus 2 2 ja 4x plus into minus, minus 2 3 ja 6. 6 into y become 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of the circle. So like this we have to do the remaining similar problems. These are the 7 marks problems which are very important for the circles. So from the circles we are getting totally 7 plus 7. So totally 14 marks. We are getting 7 marks problems, totally 2. So these are the very important problems. So totally we are having 16 important questions in this circles chapter. So I'll explain each and every problem clearly. So